In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a scrolling interaction to an element in Framer. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your design projects, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate this feature with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Framer. Once you have it open, find the specific element you want to add a hover interaction to. Now, this can be any element in your project that you think could benefit from a little bit of dynamic movement. With the element selected, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see a panel labeled Scroll Section. This panel is where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click the Scroll Section panel. Once you do that, you'll be greeted with a plus icon. Clicking this icon will allow you to create a new section that binds the scroll behavior to your chosen element. At this point, you'll need to give your new section a name. You can name it anything you like, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's name it something straightforward. For instance, I'm going to use the name iPhone. Naming sections in a way that describes their function makes it easier for you to organize your project, especially as it grows in complexity. Next, we'll turn our attention to the button in your project. Click on that button and you'll notice there's an option labeled Link To. Currently, this might be set to something else, but we need to change it to Home or whichever primary section you would like the button to relate to. After that, you'll see another option labeled Section. Click this and from the drop-down menu, select the name of the section you just created, in this case, iPhone. Now, Framer gives you two options for the scroll interaction, Smooth or Instant. If you want a more fluid transition, go for Smooth. If you prefer a more immediate jump, choose Instant. The choice is yours and both add a unique touch to your design. Once you've got everything set up, it's time to see it all in action. Click on Preview to test the functionality. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to make sure everything is working just the way you envisioned. Finally, go ahead and click the button in the preview to see your newly added scrolling interaction in motion. You should now have a seamless scroll-to-section experience that enhances the usability and flow of your project. And there you have it. That's how you add scrolling to an element in Framer. This dynamic feature can greatly enrich the user experience of your website or app by making navigation smoother and more intuitive. Thank you for following along, and happy designing.